Hey there, this is Brent. So, yeah, I started up the channel again. It's been, since 2019, since I did my last video. Uh, I've put out a few videos in the past couple of weeks. So yeah, I'm still alive. I'm still enjoying programming and mostly been focusing on mobile app development. Yeah, so I wanted to share an update. I'm looking to build up my channel. One thing I've done is I've changed the name of the channel. It was Courses by iBrent, and now it's App Developer Institute. And what I'm doing is rolling out a online school where I can provide courses that are uh, better designed and built for people learning to program. I'll still post videos on my YouTube channel. I'll put free content on my YouTube channel, and then paid content people can access on my website. So be on the lookout for that. I will need people to help with beta testing. So I'll give free access to the first group of people that I can get to take the courses and help make sure that everything's working. This will have some online community so you can connect with people and learn from others. But I just wanted to give an update that I am continuing to put out new content for this channel. And again, the focus will be on app development, mostly mobile, focusing on iOS and Android development using native technologies that Google and Apple provide, as well as learning web and how you can build applications for websites as well as for mobile apps. So I'd like to cover all of those things that deal with mobile. Right now it's just me, and I'm putting everything together as quickly as I can, but I wanted to let people know that I've got my channel and I'm still here, and I want to continue to put out content. So maybe if people want to add comments, let me know what you're interested in learning. To give you an idea, I'm working through the Develop in Swift tutorials that Apple provides. Next, I'm going to produce a number of videos for Android, so you learn Kotlin and Jetpack Compose, so you're using all the latest technology that Google is providing for Android app development. At the same time, I'm creating these online courses that I'll sell and put up on my new website. Again, all of this is coming soon, but I just wanted to put this video out and let you know that I'm still here, still excited about app development, and would love to have you part of that journey. So again, comment below if there's certain types of content you want to learn around mobile app development. I'm just going through what's out there to kind of give a sense of introduction. The free content, is mostly introductory things, but I do want to dive into more advanced topics. So please let me know what you're interested in learning. And yeah, thank you for sticking around. Sorry I haven't been doing anything for the past 5-6 years with this channel, but nothing like rebooting an old YouTube channel, and now's the time to do that. So thanks again. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to get updates and to see the latest. I will post coupons and things for discounts on the courses that I sell. So be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you will get notifications about that. I'll post videos and things whenever I've got a sale or I need beta testers, that sort of thing. So again, appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.